You are literally watching future being created.
There is no scope for mistakes or slacking or downtime.
Downtime? What's that?
We have been using the most technologically advanced concrete making machine for the past few years, and the performance and reliability are simply outstanding.
It's a game changer for our business.
The technology for concrete product manufacturing was already existing. However, we just kept building upon it and made it into something exponential.
So here's what we did. We harnessed the pinnacle of engineering prowess, seamlessly blending state-of-art vibro-compaction technologies, and then, just like that, we sparked a revolution in concrete product manufacturing.
I would say our scale, our expertise, and of course our innovation is unparalleled.
Here's something for the comparison. Our competition makes machines that can require multiple machinery units to store the concrete products, where our Mac Plus robotic has unique pallet with leg system, which makes finished product handling system easy, smooth, and operational friendly.
Making a giant machine is one thing, but to ensure it performs consistently is something we excel in.
Quality, efficiency, and customer centricity. Revomac has mastered the trifecta of success in the concrete machine manufacturing industry.
You have created something truly path-breaking when organizations like L&T, IOCL, AIMS, and international airports trust you.
When you step into their state-of-art production facility, you can feel the energy. You know they are onto something big here. It is truly inspiring.
A single machine can make up to 20 types of blocks, from bricks to Kerbstones to Paver Blocks to hollow blocks. You name it.
In the last 14 years, Revomac has become an integral part of some of the most ambitious concrete product manufacturing plants, 450 to be precise. And that's just in India. Revomac has crossed international borders and even reached South America, Africa, and Gulf countries.
If you want to future-proof your concrete product manufacturing operations, Revomac Industries is the partner you need.
From the foundational concrete block making machines to the towering concrete batching plants and storage silos, Revomac has curated a portfolio of products that form the very foundation of the concrete manufacturing landscape.
If you have vision and ambition, we have the innovation and solution. We will make things happen.